What's up guys, this is Ronnie. Welcome back to our channel Total Technology Zone. This is tutorial 24 and today's topic will be how to chat with news articles using LlamaIndex. Okay, so suppose you have one or multiple news articles from the internet or maybe some website or anywhere, and the now requirement is actually to create a vector index and after that to chat with that vector index or to create an question answer driven application or anything like talk with your news article. So in that case, the first objective is to load the data from the internet news article and after that convert them into a vector index, right? And later on you can use the any LLM to interact with the vector index. Okay, so in this tutorial I'll be going to show you how to actually integrate any news article with your vector index with the help of LlamaIndex. Okay, so let's start the tutorial, but before I start the tutorial, couple of things. It's a request from my side. Maybe it's a personal request. So if you're watching this channel for the first time, thank you very much. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel, hit the like button, share all our videos with your family and friend, and don't forget to hit the bell notification icon. And if you're already an existing viewer but you haven't subscribed, please do it. It will help me a lot, and the moment you guys start subscribing to my channel, my audience base will grow and this will help me to reach large number of audience, and also I'll get some sort of like push from the YouTube algorithm as well. Okay, and last thing, if you go to my channel and look for playlist, there will find two playlists. One is with LangChain and one is this one with LlamaIndex. So in the LangChain series we have already published more than 108 videos, and this part we have created, I believe this is 24th videos. So all these videos are super amazing and beginner friendly. If you're beginner, if you just started your journey in the field of artificial intelligence and LLM, then probably this is the place where you can start from the beginning and you can become an expert within a couple of months, right? So in LangChain we have already completed almost all the basic to advanced part, but it is not yet finished. I am uploading the videos a little bit slowly on the LangChain side, but in the LlamaIndex I'm uploading videos on regular basis. So please stay tuned and support me. I will come back every day with nice and quality content. Okay, so enough of talking, enough of self marketing. Let's start with the actual tutorial. So this is the high level objective of this tutorial: chat with news article. So first thing, you have to install that module, pip install llama and -index -readers -web. I believe I have already installed this thing, so I'm not going to do that. But if in your case, if you're going to practice this tutorial, then probably have to install this thing. Next thing, we'll be going to extract the news from the internet. We'll create the vector index and then test the index, right? So the entire coding thing will be available here from my GitHub repository. So once the video is over, if you once you complete the video, and after that you have to just clone this repository and try to practice with the help of my code. And if you want to extend this tutorial, you can do it and let me know if some better use case you can find out of it. Okay, so now let's start working with the coding part. Let me open my VS Code. Okay, so here I'll be just going to write the coding. So first thing first, initially we'll be going to just import all the necessary modules, right? So first module will be from, okay, I have written here, so it will be from llama just hold on, from llama underscore index dot readers, okay, dot web. Okay, import news article reader, right? And then from LlamaIndex dot core, import um, vector store index, right? I believe that's it. Now what will happen, now we'll be going to actually import our LLM. Okay, so from LlamaIndex dot LLMs, okay, dot OpenAI, right? And then we'll be going to import OpenAI like this. So first we'll be going to set up our LLM. Let's set up our LLM. So it should be OpenAI, and there I'll be just going to market model equals to GPT-4 Omni. Okay, Now let's start working on the loading part. So before I load, I'm just going to create a reader object. Reader object is going to be news article reader, and I will make use NLP equals to true. You can make it false, but I just want to like extract some additional keywords and etc. Right now, let's create a variable called documents. So like this, and inside the documents we'll be going to pass all the URL in the list. So leader dot load data, like this, it will be like this, and there we'll be going to actually have something like, what is this, load data, like this and this, right? Okay, and now what will happen, we'll be going to post this thing as a URL format, right? So let's copy this URL like this. Okay, okay, so this is going to give you an information about something. Okay, now like this, and if you want to use multiple URL, and then let's see, let's go ahead and let me actually copy one more URL. Okay, so this is another article. Okay, so all these things are sports related article. Okay, like this. Okay, so if you have multiple links, you can do it. So everything is done. Now what I'll do, I'll be just going to print the document and see whether it is giving me any information or not. Okay, 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 all done. Okay, so it is saying something. Yeah, okay, done. Okay, so everything is here, right? Okay, now we'll be going to create the vector index, right? So I'll just going to write index equals to vector store index dot from documents. Okay, and documents. Okay, and then we'll be going to set up the engine equals to index dot as query engine, right? And then response equals to engine dot query, and there I'll be just going to write what are the topics discussed here. Okay, and then I will write print response. Okay, so what I'll do, I'll just make it clear like this. Okay, all done. Now let's execute. Okay. Okay, I just did a mistake here. Documents. What are the things I did? I don't know. Sometime I do a lot of typo. Okay. So yep. So let's see. Yes, the topic discussed in this context are Nathan Lyon's determination to win Border Gavaskar Trophy, Australia's unfinished business against India in cricket, Lyon's preparation for the upcoming series, and CSK request to retain MS Dhoni as an uncapped player in the IPL and the potential rule changes. Okay, uh, what are the topic discussed? What uh, write the information? Write the information in uh, with 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 points related to uh, Nathan Lyon. Okay, let's see. I just said that I need all the information related to Nathan Lyon in the pointed format. Okay. Okay. So here couple of things. I didn't mention that LLM. So what I do now, I'll be just going to set the LLM. Then probably the answer will be a little bit in better quality. Okay. Okay. Yes. See, it's completely different. Okay. So now We can ask something else. What? Okay. uh, CSK, what is the ask for CSK? Okay, let's see. Let's see. Chennai Super Kings have not made any specific request regarding the franchise's CEO Kasi Viswanathan Classification himself mentioned that the Ananka player might be. Okay, good. Okay, so let me please summarize the context in few well written paragraphs. Okay, let me ask it. Let's see whether we get a one paragraph or whether we get two paragraphs. So yeah, this is really cool. Okay. Yeah. Okay, so now you can easily create like chat based application, question answer based application. You can ask anything with the help of this, right? So that's it. I believe that is the conclusion of the video, and I can easily conclude and end the video over here. But before I close the video, I'd like to say a couple of things. Again, guys, please subscribe to my channel. Hopefully you guys are enjoying the series. If you don't like, or if you think something could be done in a better way, please let us know, have some sort of feedback. We always welcome honest feedback, and I'm promising that I'll come back with better and quality content. And if you have something on your mind like related to use case, or if you want to achieve something, whether you are doing some work for your college or client, whether you need some support, doesn't matter, just let us know, have some sort of feedback. We will incorporate all those use cases in our upcoming videos. And as promised, if you see here, I'm just taking all the bits and pieces from the LlamaIndex and creating multiple like tutorials, right? And later on, as I told you, maybe after 50 or 60 videos, I'll be just going to create some advanced integration driven project. Right now my focus is to make you guys aware of all the bits and pieces available, or whatever components are available within LlamaIndex, so that we can use them in the future. Like for example, in this tutorial I use news article reader. In the last tutorial we saw how to actually do a web scraping. So many things we have already covered, right? Okay, and before I close the video for the final time, I would like to say, please subscribe to my channel, because until and unless you guys don't subscribe, I won't grow. And I would love to reach large number of audience, and I would love to grow, and for that I need your support. I know you guys will help me. Please support me, guys. I will come back always with quality content. Okay, so that's it for today. We'll see you in the next video. Till then, take care, goodbye, have a nice day, and happy learning.